Good morning to all the children and parents. This assignment is for class 2 for the subject of mathematics being submitted to you on 19th July 2021. Our today's topic is subtraction, story sums, and revise borrowing and without borrowing sums. So let us start with story sums. You have already done story sums in addition. Now we'll do it in subtraction. Let's take an example. A fruit seller had 65 mangoes. He sold 50 of them. How many mangoes were left? Now here we are going to write first the total number of mangoes the fruit seller has. See, the statement will be total number of mangoes. How many mangoes he had? 65. So we have written here 65. Number of mangoes sold. So he sold how many mangoes? 50. So 50. How many mangoes were left? We have to find out how many were left. So we have to put subtraction sound. If we are to find out left, that means the sum is subtraction story sum. If we are finding out the total, then it is addition sum. So 65 minus 50, 5 minus 0 is 5. Anything subtracted with 0, the number remains itself. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now let us do one more sum and then you will do it yourself. There are 60 students in a class. 35 of them are girls and rest are boys. How many boys are there in the school? Now here the total number of students in a class. Number of students total is 60. Then how many girls are there? Number of girls 35. Now we have, what are we to find? How many boys are there? So number of boys 60 minus 35. Now you cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we have borrowed from here tens place. 110 we have borrowed here. So here it is remains 510. 6 minus 1 is 5. 110 is here. Now it is 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the number of boys are 25. And in the same way you are going to do all these statements, stories, sums in subtraction. These are the sums. Here the space given is to write the statement. 3, 4, 5. You are going to do all these statement sums. They are very easy. After doing this statement story sums, you will subtract the following without borrowing, which we have already done in class 1 also and in our previous assignment. So let us do 78 minus 13. 8 minus 3 is, take out 8 fingers, close your 3 fingers. How many left? 5. And 7 minus 1 is a number comes that before. If we subtract anything, any number with 1, the number before is the answer. Now there are all these sums. You will do it yourself and answers you will get on Thursday. Now exercise number 3, it's again revision. Subtract the following with borrowing. Now you have to borrow and subtract. Let's do one sum and rest you will do it yourself. 82 minus 55. So we'll start with ones place. Can you subtract 5 from 2? No, 2 is smaller, so we cannot subtract 5 out of it. So we will borrow from here. So we'll borrow 1 from here. So here we remain with 7. 8 minus 1 is 7, and here we get 12 because we have taken 1 10 from here. Now 1 10 and 2 becomes 12. Now you can subtract 5 from 12. What is the answer? Subtract 12 from 5. It is 7. And 7 minus 5 is 2. You can count after 5 till 12 and open your fingers one by one. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 7 fingers. So answer is 7. Or you can subtract by taking out 12 fingers, 12 numbers of lines. You can even draw lines and then cut 5 lines out of it. Now do all these sums on your own and then you can show it to your parents, and answers you will get on 22nd, that is Thursday. So goodbye children.